Hello PCE friends, my name is Markus Hümmecke. I'm a technician by the PCE Germany Limited, and today I became a one-way data logger. And that was the PCE-OWL 6, which gives in two models, the OWL 6 and the OWL 60. That means you can log temperature with this device once over 6 days and once over 60 days. The device is intended, for example, for food transport, to control if the cooling chain is made, or I have medicines and want to know if the cooling chain is constant or being interrupted. It all looks like this. It is a small compact part. It's not bigger than a credit card. I rip it open and then can put it into my delivery. I have to activate it first. That means I push this button and it starts to light up green. That means it is activated. As you can see, here it is green and I can see, okay, everything is okay. I can put it into my package, and when it arrives in say 3 days, the person takes it out, puts it into the computer and reads the data. As I said, we can measure from 6 days to 60 days. We have 32,000 measuring points, which we can save. What makes him good is that it saves every 5 minutes by the 6th day and every 10 minutes by the 60th day. That are the intervals where the temperature is saved. I'd like to show you now how it is when we install this software. We have at PCE Germany a download area where I go to now, where other software downloads are, for example, for the weather station, for our mini USB microscope. So now I will simply download the software from OWL. As you can see, it goes pretty quickly because it's not a large software. As you can see, it is compatible for Vista, Windows 8, 10, 60-bit, 32-bit. So to say, for the modern computers we are ready. So the download is finished. I just open it, go into the file. Go to the file software, go to the setup file. It asks me which language. Let's say English. And it starts straight away with the installation. Last night I prepared a data logger. That means I simply laid it into our fridge. And now we can have a look what the data looks like, what we will see there. So it asks me where I want to install it. Okay. It asks me if I want to use the program. I make a tick and press finish. And then the software opens automatically. It is a simple software where I can start, stop, export things, print things, depending how I want it. So and now I will simply put the stick in. As you can hear, it is noticed straight away. I have then my start, see the serial number. Can now download everything. It asks me where I want to save it and what it is to be called. I'll call it simply test. Save it on the desktop. It tells me then straight away that it has 230 measuring points. Ask me if it should open them and then shows all of it graphically. That means I can see clearly that yesterday at 15:41 hours I had taken it out of my office and put it into the fridge. and as you can see, the run of the temperature is pretty constant. It is an indication for me that the cooling chain was not broken. Other way around, it's so to say, when I saw a peak here, when a line goes up, would mean that something was taken out of the fridge and that the cold chain was shortly interrupted. Now what I can do with the data, I can export it all to Excel, I can save it as a bitmap, I can save it as a JPEG. I can then asset the data further process as I need it. We can do it simply now. When we save it as a Microsoft Excel sheet, I'll leave it as test. Like I said, it is after a short time onto my desktop. The Excel file test. I open it then. So, and have then at the 11th save point at that time and that date we had that temperature. As I said, out of the software I can directly regenerate it. I can in Excel other sheets or diagrams make ourselves. So let's have a look at this part, how it looks like inside. I'll just open it and we can see what it looks like. Here I have the connection for the USB. Now you can see my start button. We have here the green LED. It lights up when I have started it. There is the battery. What also may be interesting is we have here the sensor, the temperature sensor, which can record from -30 to +70 degrees. That's what it looks like from the electronics. As I said, a little compact device which I can put into every package. What naturally also in the delivery is a user manual from PC Germany, where everything is described, also the software. It is all very good with pictures described. As said, it is a very small, robust device. So our PC friends, this was our OWL 6 and said it is available in a multi of 6 days to 60 days. Thanks for watching and bye until the next video.